This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming voice support on your Jio Fiber plan and getting the physical parts ready. Once done, power the Jio Fiber gateway, plug a standard RJ11 phone cable into the router's FXS or phone port, and attach your telephone handset. Make sure the router shows internet and voice LEDs. If you haven't linked the Jio mobile number for account verification, do that now in the My Jio app so activation steps can proceed without delays. You now configure the voice service on the gateway. Log into the router web UI at 192.168.1.1 or use the My Jio app. Use your My Jio credentials. Navigate to voice or SIP settings and enable the voice profile. If Jio provided SIP credentials, enter them exactly as given. Save settings and reboot the gateway. After restart, listen for the dial tone on the handset and check the voice LED. If you hear a tone, proceed to registration steps in the app. To finish, make a test outbound call and ask someone to call your number back. Verify inbound and caller ID. If you don't get a dial tone, power cycle the gateway, reseat the RJ11 cable, and confirm voice settings again in the app. Make sure no Do Not Disturb or call barring is enabled. If problems persist, capture the router status page and call Jio support. Provide the activation ID and router logs so they can complete provisioning or push a remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.